home, and today I'm making orange sorbet. We're only using 2 ingredients. It's super easy and all it takes is some time and some patience. So let's get started. Okay, so this sorbet is super simple to make. I've got a chilled bowl here. I put it in the freezer so it's really nice and cold. I'm going to put in the orange juice. Some orange zest just to give it a nice little bit of a bite to it. To that I'm putting in icing sugar. The secret to any sorbet is to keep mixing it. I'm just going to mix this through, put it in the freezer, and then I'm going to keep mixing it every 30 minutes so we get a nice smooth sorbet. Yummy sorbet. Just make sure it's really well combined. And then I'll put it in the freezer and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so it's been in the fridge for an hour. I looked at it on half an hour, nothing was really happening. But if you can see, the crystals are starting to form. It's getting really cold. So I'm just going to mix it up to get some nice small crystals. And I put it back in the freezer. And I'll give it another mix in around about an hour. Okay, so I left it overnight, which is 8 hours, and I've just gone through it with a fork. As you can see, there's quite large crystals there. Now, I don't have an ice cream making machine, and this is a recipe without using an ice cream making machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of it into my liquidizer. Because basically sorbet is fine small crystals, so we want to cut them up. These are quite large crystals. So I'm going to put it into the liquidizer. This will be 2 batches, and then I'm going to put it back in the freezer. So I've put half of it into my blender here, or my liquidizer. I'm just going to turn it on to get into nice small crystals. Just need to mix it around a bit. A few times. To get some nice small crystals. Okay, I hope you can see that. Nice sorbet, all fine crystals. Just need to keep blending it until it comes to a nice, smooth sorbet texture. And then we'll put that back in the fridge in a container, an ice cream container, and let it freeze longer. Okay, so taking the second batch out, you can see the difference here. Those are really large crystals, so I need to liquidize that in the blender there. And this one here is the one I've did before. It's a lot smaller. It's a lot more pasty looking. So yeah, just have now liquidized the second lot and then put it back into this container here and freeze it. Okay, so I'm putting the second batch on top now. Let that freeze. As you can see, it's nice smooth consistency. Very easy to make, and you can adjust the sugar as you like. So if you're diabetic, you can use a low sugar juice, put less sugar in it. Super easy way to make sorbet. You don't have any additives in it. Right. Good to go. Smooth it out. See the consistency of that's lovely. Nice sorbet. And I put that back in the freezer for around about 4 to 5 hours, and then we should be able to scoop it out. Okay, so the sorbet is ready. We just scoop some out. looking good. It's a nice, easy way to make sorbet. It doesn't cost you very much. It's nice and smooth texture. Looks good. And then just garnish it with some orange segments. Give it a taste test. Oh yeah, that tastes really good. Nice strong flavour of the orange, because they don't have loads and loads of additives in there. Just a couple of ingredients, and with the zest of the orange in there, absolutely superb, nice and fresh. Lovely refreshing cleanse palater. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave your comments below, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, would love to hear from you. Have a great day, bye bye for now and see you soon. Bye.